morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Avi at Mulholland. Morning time. All our installers are in a meeting today, continuing their education about the trade, about our systems. Let's go in and take a look and see them at the meeting. We're going through our showroom.
After we're done, we say, hey sir, I want to show you what I did. This door wasn't closing prior. I added a little spacer here, a little spacer there, and now this door is closing. The service is complete. Great. Okay? Afterwards, additional requested items, if needed or requested, if there's stuff that you still need that we didn't provide. Okay? Let's say for instance here, we're going to put two flat bars. Okay? Those flat boards should have been indicated on our fixed sheets, okay? We did a fix for a door, okay? And we're gonna now add another form here to ask for those flat boards, okay? So this is our fixed sheet for poles, for flat bars, for stuff like this, okay? So for that door, we're gonna need two flat bars. Put here.
This is why Mulholland Brand is the company you want to work with, because we never stop innovations, we never stop training, educating, and that's the reason we are the leaders in the trade, in the fencing trade. We're the pioneers that brought the aluminum into the USA, and we are here to help you and care about you. We want to create relationships that will last for many, many years. We've been around for 30 years, and we have like tons of customers that have been with us since the 90s, and we're good friends. And when I talk to people personally, I tell them, look, my intention is to be your friend forever, and to know your family, and to know your friends, and for us to form a relationships that will be based on trust and love and appreciation and respect. And that's what we're living for. We're living for that. So the end results can be amazing. We're not perfect. We do have ups and downs. You know, this is business. Sometimes we're going through some turbulence here and there, but we're always holding tight and keep on improving and keep on moving forward for the benefit of our customers and to provide the best results and to get the best out of us. And that's what we live for. So thank you for watching, thank you for following us, thank you for your trust, and thank you to many of our clients that have been with us through thick and thin, and trusting us that we always gonna produce the best results possible, and we always gonna make things work, even if we have projects that sometimes through the project we have some hiccups. But you know, this is the nature of the business. Never gonna be 100% perfect, but we're gonna aim for perfection. So thank you very much, guys. Have a wonderful weekend. It's Friday, so have a great weekend. Bye-bye.